Hey everyone and welcome back. In our last video, we took a quick peek at some really interesting tech designed to simplify our lives. But today, we're going to dive a whole lot deeper into each of these innovations to really understand what makes them so cool and how they can actually make a difference in your day-to-day. First up, let's get serious about our digital lives. We all have tons of photos, videos, important documents, and who knows what else scattered across our phones, computers, and maybe even external hard drives. Now, the smart thing to do is back all of that up, right? But the traditional way of doing this often involves bulky, complicated network-attached storage, or NAS, devices that honestly feel like they require a computer science degree just to set up. Enter PocketCloud, the portable NAS that's trying to change all of that. Think of a NAS as your own personal cloud storage, like a super secure hard drive that you can access from any of your devices. Now, imagine taking that concept and making it incredibly easy to use and completely portable. That's PocketCloud. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so even if you're not a tech guru, you can get it up and running in no time. But here's where it gets really clever. PocketCloud features what they call modular backup. This means you can back up your data while you're out and about. Maybe you're a photographer on a shoot, or you're traveling and want to secure your files. You can do that with PocketCloud. And then, when you get back home or to the office, you simply dock it, and it automatically creates a second copy of your data. It's like having an instant backup of your backup, giving you that extra layer of security and peace of mind. The modular design also offers some really smart flexibility. Traditional NAS systems often use something called RAID, where you might need to pair two identical, large, and expensive hard drives just to have a mirrored copy. With PocketCloud, you don't have that limitation. You can use different sized SSDs, optimizing your storage space and your budget. Plus, if one of the storage drives in PocketCloud fails, the other one in the dock can still keep your data safe. It avoids that I jump scenario where both drives crash at the same time. And because it's designed to be portable, PocketCloud has a long-lasting battery, so you don't have to worry about it dying in the middle of a backup. They even tested it backing up over 100 gigabytes of large files in just 5 minutes. To keep things running smoothly, it has an aluminum alloy shell to dissipate heat, along with a turbofan and internal thermal design to maintain optimal temperatures. But wait, there's more. Beyond the dual-layer modular backup, PocketCloud also lets you connect to your favorite cloud services through its app, giving you a third copy of your important data. Talk about being secure. And if you have a family or a team, you can set up PocketCloud so everyone can access it from their own devices, making it a shared data hub for collaboration. Finally, for those who love to stream their media, PocketCloud can even transform your space into a personal cinema, supporting stunning 8K, 4K, and HDR playback with smart transcoding and streaming to any device. Next up, let's talk about making things straight, level, and perfectly measured. If you've ever tried to hang a picture frame perfectly or tackle a DIY project, you know how frustrating it can be to get accurate measurements. That's where QUBE comes in, a 3-in-1 digital angle, level, and distance meter. Imagine having all three of these essential tools combined into one compact device that fits right in your palm. QUBE uses laser technology to provide unmatched precision for all your measuring needs. Whether you're checking the angle of a cut on your circular saw, making sure a shelf is perfectly level, or measuring the distance across a room, QUBE has you covered. It has multiple measuring modes within each feature, making it incredibly versatile. For example, in Angle Finder mode, you can check measurements independently with precision down to 2 decimal places, perfect for woodworking or ensuring a flawless finish on any project. The Level Finder mode ensures perfect evenness every time, with a clear bullseye display that uses color-coded bubbles and even shows X and Y coordinates for ultimate accuracy. This is especially useful for tasks like leveling a 3D printer bed, which is crucial for getting good print results. The compact size and magnetic mount make QUBE incredibly portable and easy to attach to various surfaces, freeing up your hands. No matter if you're a seasoned professional or just a DIY enthusiast, QUBE aims to revolutionize the way you measure, making tasks simpler, more efficient, and much more accurate. Now, let's shift our focus to something incredibly personal: your health and well-being. We're all becoming more aware of the importance of tracking our health metrics, and while smartwatches have become popular, they might not tell the whole story. Introducing Circular Ring 2, a smart ring packed with advanced health tracking features. This isn't just your average fitness tracker. Circular Ring 2 boasts over 13 health features and tracks more than 140 different biometrics. One of its standout features is its ability to track your heart's electrical activity directly from your finger. The ring takes these measurements in just 30 seconds, providing a more comprehensive understanding of your heart health than just a simple heart rate reading. This is significant because the signal quality from your finger is naturally stronger and clearer. But Circular Ring 2 goes beyond just data collection. It integrates Kira, an AI-powered health strategist, that learns your unique patterns and provides personalized recommendations to improve your well-being. Unlike other wearables that might just show you the data, Kira contextualizes it. For example, if you're struggling with stress, Kira might suggest specific breathing exercises or adjustments to your daily routine. If your sleep quality is poor, it can identify potential disruptions and offer ways to improve your rest. If you're experiencing low energy, Kira can correlate patterns in your activity, sleep, and recovery to pinpoint areas for optimization. And here's a major bonus. Unlike many other health wearables, Circular Ring 2 doesn't require a monthly subscription to access its most valuable insights. With a one-time purchase, you get lifetime access to all its features, including heart rhythm tracking, sleep analysis, stress analysis, personalized AI recommendations, and even future updates. The ring itself is made from premium titanium and is designed to be lightweight and comfortable enough to wear all day and night. For all the plant lovers out there, have you ever felt like you're just guessing when it comes to keeping your plants thriving? Even experienced gardeners sometimes struggle because plants don't exactly tell us what they need in a way we easily understand. That's where FYTA 2.0 comes in, a smart fitness tracker designed specifically for your plants. FYTA is a comprehensive plant monitoring system that tracks 13 key plant health metrics, giving you the data you need to understand your plant's needs, prevent problems, and help them grow confidently. Instead of relying on guesswork, FYTA provides real-time insights into what's going on with your plants. The FYTA system is modular and includes 4 different trackers that work together. The FYTA Mini and FYTA Sphere are designed to work as a team, with the Mini monitoring soil conditions for individual plants and the Sphere tracking the overall microclimate of the environment. The Sphere even has a reorientable dome to accurately capture light from multiple directions. For standalone indoor plants, there's the sleek FYTA Beam, General 2. And for outdoor plants in tougher conditions, there's the robust Outdoor Beam, which even features optional LTE-M connectivity for remote locations. All the sensors connect to the FYTA app via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, providing you with real-time information about exactly what your plants need, whether it's more water, more light, or a change in temperature. This system is designed to be flexible, so you can customize it for any type of plant, whether it's indoors, outdoors, in soil, or even in hydroponic setups. With FYTA, plant care becomes less of a guessing game and more of a science, helping you avoid wilted leaves, root rot, and the heartbreak of losing your beloved plants. Finally, let's inject a bit of fun and personality into your everyday routine with the Pixel Mug P1, an AI-enhanced smart mug with a pixel display. This isn't just any ordinary coffee mug, it's like having a little tech companion right in your hand. Imagine your mug displaying the weather forecast in the morning, or showing you the perfect temperature of your coffee so you don't burn your tongue during that important Zoom call. But the fun doesn't stop there. You can unleash your creativity using the Bubble app to design your own unique pixel art and watch it animate live on your mug. You can even use the AI wizard to transform your pet's photo into charming vintage pixel art, or turn a loved one's selfie into a cool 8-bit style image. If you're a fan of GIFs, your morning routine can become a mini Times Square, cycling through retro animations and trending memes. The Pixel Mug also has practical features. You can sync it with the Bubble app to set up custom reminders, like a pixelated countdown for your lunch break or a playful drink water animation to encourage hydration. You can even send fun reminders to other Pixel Mugs, like telling your kids dinner is ready. And who says a mug can't be entertaining? The Pixel Mug comes loaded with engaging mini games like Gravity Drop and Vegas Slots, allowing you to connect with friends through the app for some friendly competition. For the creative entrepreneurs out there, the Pixel Mug Marketplace offers a platform to share and sell your pixel art creations to coffee lovers around the world. And don't worry about spills. The Pixel Mug is fully IPX7 waterproof, so you can hand wash it with ease. It combines sophisticated technology with the elegance of double-layered porcelain and features intuitive touch gesture navigation. It's not just a mug, it's a fun, interactive, and surprisingly useful tech gadget for your daily life. So there you have it, a much closer look at some truly innovative technology designed to simplify, enhance, and add a little bit of fun to our lives. From securing your digital world on the go, to gaining deeper insights into your health, and even keeping your plants happy, these products offer some really compelling solutions. If you found this detailed breakdown interesting and helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with anyone who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest tech innovations.